Hello guys, this is Niyaz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how you can install the WordPress in Hostinger panel. Without any delay, let's jump into the video. To install the WordPress in your Hostinger panel, first of all go and log into the Hostinger account. After the login, you can able to access all the websites which you have associated with the Hostinger panel. Then click on Manage. You will get the control panel. From here, you have to select the domain which you want to install the WordPress. In my case, I have to install the WordPress in curify.com. Select this and you will get the access to the curify.com entire Hostinger panel. First of all, let's check the website. You can click on here and check the website status here. Currently, it's showing the default landing page of the Hostinger. After you connecting your domain with the Hostinger and install, then you will see this default page. Now go back to your Hostinger panel. In the search bar, search for auto installer. Under website, you will find this auto installer. Otherwise, you can directly find this under the website. Scroll down little bit, click on website tab, you will find auto installer. Click this. So here you have options to install various plugins like WordPress, Joomla and others also you can install from there. I am selecting WordPress. Select. From here you have to give the website credentials. In my case I am installing the WordPress by Curify. Then you can give your admin email address here, then username, and you can use admin password. I am just typing admin@123. So you have to give the username and password. Then go to advanced. Then make sure you are installing on the right domain. You can see the installation path here, which is curify.com. You have to give the website title, admin email, admin username and password. Then installation path you have to make sure. Then click on the next. Here you have to confirm you are installing the WordPress on exactly this domain. Make sure you are updating the latest version of the PHP, which is 6.2.2. Then click on install. As soon as you click on the install, the WordPress will start to install on your website automatically. You don't need to do all the rest of the things. The Hostinger panel itself create a custom database for your website. Wait for 2 minutes and your website will be ready. Yeah, now the WordPress is successfully installed on our website. You can cross check that. Click on this or you can refresh your domain here. You can see the WordPress is installed. To log in into your WordPress, simply wp/wp-admin. You will get the login page. Then enter your username, then password. Make sure you are using the strong passwords. You can click on login. Then now you can access to your WordPress dashboard and you can preview the website here. There is another direct way to the login into your WordPress dashboard. If you are not sure about your username, that I will show you. First of all, we will log out from here. Then just enter your URL and refresh it. So there is another way. After going to the control panel, there is an option for the edit website. Click on edit website. It will automatically logging in through the Hostinger panel. You don't need to enter username and password. It will automatically log in into your WordPress dashboard. This is another way to log in. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comment, please comment down below. I am happy to respond. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. This is Niyaz signing off.